After I fell off my toilet, I do this.
Flux capacitor.
It works! It works! I finally invented something that works!
Okay, welcome to the 3D printing induction for the MakerBot Replicator2. Okay, let's dive straight in. So, first thing we want to do is take an SD card from the machine, or you can use your own. If you're using your own card, please ensure that it is no larger than 2 gigabytes, as the machine will not accept it. So when you're ready to print, turn the machine on at the back, and the front LCD screen will power up. Place your card in the top of the machine. The LCD screen will show a menu. Don't worry about preheat or utilities for now. We want to select build from SD by pushing the M button. So a list of files that are on the card are now shown. If you scroll down to find the file you want, note they are on the left hand side, and let's go for Benchy 1. Select your file by pushing the M button. The print bed and the extruder will adjust itself and get ready to print. Make sure you always keep clear of the internal print area. The extruder will now begin to heat up, and the LCD screen will show us a heating bar indicator and the current and the target temperature. So we've got 22, a target temperature of 230. So when the target temperature is reached, the printer will automatically begin its printing process. So again, remember to keep clear of the print bed area when it starts. So it's best to stay with the printer for the first 5 minutes or so to ensure that the print is adhering to the bed and that there are no other problems. Usually if there are any problems with the print, it's usually at the start. You should have a good idea of how long the print will take, as this was shown in the print software. But if you've forgotten or you want an idea of how long it's going to be, the LCD screen will show a percentage and a countdown timer. So that is a basic introduction to 3D printing. Let's have a look at the health and safety. So do not place your hands anywhere near the build area or extruder nozzle while in operation. Tie your hair back, no loose clothes or jewellery. This is an entanglement risk, and of course you can get burns from the nozzle. Never attempt to repair or modify any equipment or bypass any safety systems. There are some cowlings and enclosures that you shouldn't tamper with. Never interrupt someone using a piece of equipment. Never use the machines under the influence of drugs or alcohol. That's pretty straightforward, really. Always clean up your work area and put the scrap material in the bin. And make the technician aware of any incidents or if you're in any doubt. If you're unsure about anything, give me a shout. I'm usually not far away. Okay, so it looks like our print has finished. So, we need to remove the print. But never use a sharp implement to remove prints. Use a plastic scraper or other appropriate tool. We do have gloves available for you to use. Sometimes a large print can be quite difficult to lift off the bed. So that's it. Now head on over to the quiz, answer a few questions, and you will have full access to the 3D printers. Thank you.